Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I wish you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. It is an English for grade 5 and we are learning unit number 15 and its title is No Bullying. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 4, under the title of Comprehension Skills, we will cover up page 133, 134 and 135, my dear students. Before in English for grade 4, my dear students, already we have learned in unit number 11, lend a helping hand. Okay, I hope you remember it, this lecture. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. Our today's students' learning outcomes are recite the poem with actions. So first we have to do recite the poem with actions, and the next what we have to do, my dear students, we have to recognize, find out, create and use more rhyming words. Okay, we have to find rhyming words, and the next what we have to do, apply strategies to comprehend questions for appropriate response by making keywords, verbs and tenses in a variety of the following questions types. Different questions types. Which types? Factual questions, interpretive, inferential questions, personal response and open-ended. These we have to do, and the last one that we have to do, write the central idea of the given poem in simple language. So my dear teachers and my dear students, these are the SLOs that we are going to cover up in our this lecture. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, my dear teachers and my dear students, in Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 152, so remember me, I'll remember you. So have you got, my dear students? But this beautiful verse is telling us, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is addressing with us and saying to us that remember me, I'll remember you. Okay, Allah subhanahu is saying that, subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that remember me and I'll remember you. So how we can remember Allah? Definitely when we offer prayer. Okay, when we offer prayer, when we recite the holy book Al-Quran, so it means we remember Allah. Whenever we offer prayer, so we talk to Allah, my dear students. And do you know, Allah listens us carefully, that what we are saying, what we are begging and what we are asking. So Allah Almighty is inviting us, so come, remember me, then I'll remember you. Definitely when Allah remembers, so what? This is a big reward even in this world and hereafter. So my dear students, let's commit today that we have to remember our Almighty Allah and His blessings. Always we have to be thankful for His great and countless blessings. Okay, so let's see. Now pre-reading questions are there. We are moving toward our lesson. Look at the pictures and think about the theme of this poem unit. You have to open your book and you have to look at the pictures. That lesson we are going to start. Okay, and the next, what does the word bullying mean? What does the word bullying mean? Good, my dear students. I hope now you have got that what we are going to learn today. So yes, my dear students, in unit number 15, no bullying, open book, page number 133, and we are on 134. Open book, my dear students. So we are going to start our poem from our first stanza. Okay, so have you opened book? And now we will start our poem. So be ready, hurry up, stand up. Good. So have you stood up? Good job. So now we are going to start our poem. Okay, be ready. We have to recite poem with actions. Okay, so may I start? Okay. A bully is a boy or a girl who makes you feel bad, who says things or does things that make you feel sad. A bully may laugh when you make a mistake, well, or call you mean names, push your shoe or shake. What do you do if you pull today? You must try to stay calm and just walk away. Go tell and grown up, they'll know what to do. Teachers and parents are there to help you. Okay, what if you see a bully pick up your friend? How do you make the meanness come to an end? Tell the bully to stop, take your friend by the hand. Go find a grown up, they will understand. A school is a safe place to learn, grow and play. If you speak up and stand up, bully can't ruin your day. Okay, so have you got, my dear students? Good job. You have done with it. So this was the poem that we were reciting with actions. Okay, so have you done with it? So let's see what we have to do. There are few things I'm going to mention with you, my dear students. Factual questions. What are factual questions? Factual questions require fact-based answers. There is only one correct answer which can be verified from the text. My dear students, there are different types of questions are there. So factual questions, what are factual questions? Factual question required fact-based answers. And what are facts? Already we know that fact cannot be changed. Okay, fact can be verified, we can prove fact. Okay, and usually facts are universal truths. We cannot change them. Okay, so factual based questions definitely require fact-based answers, means exact and actual answer to the point. Have you got? Okay, so next type. What is next type? An inferential question is a question that asks you to draw a logical conclusion from a passage or text. So my dear students, what is an inferential question? An inferential question is a question that asks logical concepts that we use to ask. Okay, and mostly these questions we make by the using of WH family, my dear students, while using question words like how, when, where, okay, what. So in this way, such type of questions are called inferential, and we cannot find answer directly in the text. Okay, we have to search out, we have to find out. Got it? These such type of questions are called inferential questions. See there, the next one. And interpretive questions can help discover the meaning and relationships between its parts. Keywords to start a questions include how, what, where, and when. So these are also interpretive questions. How we can start? These are also start with WH family, that these are give the relationship, and we have to discover, we have to find the meanings by self from stanza. We have to read it carefully, and then we have to find out the questions that we have put and that we have made by selves. These can be made by selves, and we can ask questions in this way. These are the types that. And personal, what is personal response, my dear students? When someone is asking question, yeah, or if you have reading a text, a stanza, a text, a content can be. When you have read that, so what you will discuss about this text. So this is called our personal response. Suppose I am getting according to this stanza, so my what I got, so I will discuss. So this is my personal, and what you have read, and what you are like discussing with your teacher, with your friends, with your classmates, so that this discussion will be your personal response about the text. Have you got? So this is the way that how we can get different types of questions when we are getting a text. See there? So we are going towards to theme. What is the theme of the theme? Means the central idea of the poem. So that poem that we have read right now. So what is the actual theme? Theme is a message, my dear students. So let's see which message this poem is giving to us. See, in this poem, the poet says that a bully cannot be anyone, can be anyone, girl or a boy, which making you feel bad. A bully says terrible things to you or can physically hurt you. When a bully tries to hurt you, stay calm and leave that place. You should tell your parents or any other elder person. So my dear students, have you got that? Which lesson is being given to us through these stanzas, through these lines? That beautifully explains that a bully. Who is a bully? That irritates someone, okay? Irritates others, teases others. That is a bully. And he or she can be a girl or a bully can be a girl or a boy. Both of them can be. So when that bully is teasing you, okay, making something for you and also giving something like bad to you. So what you have to do? So you will not respond it same like that. You have to leave the place. You have to show patience. Okay, you have to bear and stay calm and cool. Okay, then what you will do if he or a bully person, he or she is again trying again and again to disturb you, so what you will do, you will discuss with your elder person. Okay, you will tell them that that one boy or a girl is teasing you. Okay, this is your responsibility, but you will not answer by yourself. Have you got? So see next lines. Other elder about that bully. Your elders will help you and warn the bully not to repeat this behavior. If a bully harms your friend, you should also help your friend. We go to school for learning and the growth of our minds. A bully should not come in our way. So got it, my dear students? Mostly suppose if when you will discuss with your elder or and these elders at school can be teachers, at home your parents can be. Okay, you will discuss with them. So when you are getting school, suppose for teasing you, when a bully is teasing to you and after that he or she is disturbing to your friend, okay, and also is teasing you, so what you will do, you will not leave your friend, okay, in that time of difficulty. So actual friend is that already you had, I think I listened that is a well-known model for you and proverb that a friend in need is a friend indeed. Okay, when you will have, you have to help your friend at any cost. Okay, you will not leave the place. First of all, you will get your friend from that bully and then you will move out and you will discuss with your parents or elders. At school, why we are getting school? Yes, why you are here? So yes, you are here to change your behavior, my dear students. Already, usually I used to discuss that the actual education is changing in behavior. If you are not able to change your behavior, what is behavior? Your way of speaking, your way of talking, your way of sitting, your way of behaving with each other. This is your behavior. Okay, so you have to change it. You have to be polite at school, even anywhere you are. So this is the theme. We are coming to attend school for such type of manners, and we have to develop these manners in our personalities. This will be good for us. Okay, so through these all theme and through all these poem, my dear students, we got that what we have to do if someone is teasing us, so we have to stay calm and we have to discuss with our elders, with our teachers, with our parents. Okay, we will not do anything by ourselves. Is it clear? Good. So let's move towards an activity. We are going towards an activity. See there's an activity, my dear teacher. Be ready. Divide class in groups and each group will make 5 questions based on factual, interpretive and inferential types. After that, one group will ask question and other group will respond it. Likewise, all groups will perform it in turns. So yes, that groups you have made, first they will find factual based question. It's up to you, 4 or 5 questions you can find, my dear students, factual, interpretive or inferential that we have discussed already, that you have to find. After that, you will ask from each other. Okay, pause the video, my dear teachers, and get this activity in your class and then come back. Welcome back, and I hope you have done with it and you have enjoyed and you have got that how we can make different types of questions according to the sentence or stanza. Good job. So what you have to do now, open your book, my dear students. Question number 1 and question number 3 is there on page number 135. Open that and see that how you have to do that. This one, write the rhyming words of the following words. Rhyming words already we know, my dear students, that have the same ending. Okay, like bad, sad, a list of rhyming words are in your poem also, like bad, sad. Okay, like today, away, laugh, mistake, shake. So these are rhyming words. Have you got that? So you have also made their rhyming words in question number 3 and question number 1 you have to do in your notebook. So my dear teachers, first you will discuss these questions with your class orally, and after that you will get all these questions in their notebook with neat and excellent writing. Okay, pause the video, perform this activity in your class and then come back. Welcome back, and I hope you have done it with a nice way and an excellent way. Good job. So what's our homework for today? You will write, my dear students, question number 2 on book page number 135 in your notebook. There is a question on page number 135, my dear students. Question number 2 is there. That question number 2 you have to do in your notebook, in your homework. So this is worksheet, my dear teachers. This worksheet link is given below. You should click it, download it and provide it to your students. That's so that we might be able to get that how much knowledge they have got about different types of questions. There is a lesson from China, inferences. Okay, there is inferences, how we can make questions, inferential questions. You can see that questions are there, then you have to find answers from this text. Okay, so you will perform this in your class. What we have learned today? Today we learned to recite poem and about rhyming words. We also learned about different types of questions to comprehend the text, and also we know that how we can get a central idea, and with this way we have covered up our SLOs. Recite the poem with actions, recognize, find out, create and use more rhyming words. Apply strategies to comprehend questions. For appropriate, respond by marking keywords, verbs and tenses in a variety of the following questions types: factual, interpretive, inferential, personal response and open-ended. Write the central idea of the given poem in simple language. Oh, good job. And we have done with it. We have covered up our SLOs in an exact way. And I hope now you have got that, how we can get all these things through in a sequence and different strategies. So I hope today's lecture you have enjoyed, my dear students. So tomorrow with the new lecture. See you soon, inshallah. Till that time, thank you so much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.